Welcome back. It's been over 331 days that have passed and over 9 lakh depositors are waiting to get back their life savings, their hard-earned money that was looted from a bank that they trusted. For 11 months now, they have been running from pillar to post. For the last 11 months, there has been little progress and the fight still continues. Republic will be leading the fight for justice for PMC bank scam victims. The Justice for PMC Victims petition is live on petition.republicworld.com and stand with the biggest campaign, that of the common man, because those victims, nearly 9 lakh victims, have been left in lurch and they are now seeking justice. They want their hard-earned money back, especially during this COVID time. So the petition there, as you can access it, petition on republicworld.com, 10 demands that have been put forth. Join the petition and be a part for the justice of the PMC bank scam victims.
Justice. 330 days have passed. 9 lakh depositors are waiting. 8,000 crore rupees was looted from their bank. 60 depositors have died since the fight began.
My quality of life is affected. My dignity is compromised. I am dependent on my son.
Till date, 9 lakh depositors are suffering. There is no one to hear our plight.
See these visuals. Unrelenting protests and a fight to arrest those named and charge sheeted. They allege many who have political connections haven't even been picked up yet.
Along with lakhs of honest and hard-working citizens, we are fighting tooth and nail for our hard-earned money.
10 lakh depositors who are affected because of this, because of the PMC scam and because of no fault of us. And we are unnecessarily, the common man is suffering.
Over 20,000 fictitious bank accounts, 12,000 paid charge sheet. They've been running from pillar to post, seeking justice. Republic will fight with them to ensure they get their money back.
I, along with hundreds of hard-working and honest citizens, have been fighting tooth and nail for my savings. Join our fight and help us to raise our voice.
मैंने खुद बैंक में पैसा जमा किए अब मेरे लड़के की फीस की वजह से, लेकिन वो भी मैं नहीं भर पा रही हूँ। बहुत जगह हाथ पैर मार लिए, बहुत पॉलिटिशियंस की मदद ले लिए, लेकिन कोई मदद के लिए आगे नहीं आ रहा है, ना हमारे साथ कोई न्याय हो रहा है।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, रिपब्लिक टीवी।